Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yemi and I do DIY videos. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Fifine mic. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but that's what I can make of the spelling. So this is the pop filter I bought along with it. I bought them from Amazon, as you can see from the wrapper or from the wrapping. So I'm just attaching the pop filter to its stand. It's an adjustable pop filter. I got this one for like $10, I think, and the mic was like 60 something, so I think 67. So in total, I kind of spent about $80, well, minus tax. But here's how the mic looks like. Okay, there we go. That's looking cute so far. So there's this little manual, I guess. I don't know. I'm probably supposed to show you how to use it. I don't know. I hope I got the color black, I think. I don't think I read this light color. Let's see. Some other label. Nobody cares. And then there's this thing here. Oh, this is my mic. Where's the stand? This is the cord. Oh. Okay, found it. I don't know what it's for, but maybe it's an adapter. Oh, it might be an adapter. So I do not like the squeaky sound that this thing makes, and that's why I decided to mute this part. So every time I'm scrolling something, I'm going to mute. So, oh my god, this thing's actually heavy. Ooh. So there's this stand. That's pretty much all that's in it. The mic, the cord, and the stand. So let's see. This should probably go in here, so let me try doing that. So I'm guessing this is for I think the cord goes in here and then disconnects to my PC, but I'm guessing this is just for volume. I don't think this is for gain, but I'm guessing it's for volume. Oh, there's a thread. Okay, so there's a thread on here, so I'm guessing this guy is, oh my god, and I put this guy inside. How do you think this was an adapter? I don't think this would go. No, it would not go. So I need to get this one out. Okay, now let's try this. Ooh, okay. Ouch. Okay. So yeah, so this is standing. Alright. Oh, I hate the sound it's coming with. I was just trying to get it to look like this. So this is, yeah, okay, so this adjusts it for me. Okay, so that's fine. I could just move this way. Okay, so now let me try connecting to my laptop. First of all, where's the front of my mic? I'm guessing this. I think this is where the diaphragm thing is. So I'm guessing this should be the front of my mic. So this is where I should talk into. Okay, so definitely here, based on this picture I see here, this is the front. So this is where I'm talking to. Okay, now my filter should be on this side. So I'm just going to turn this thing to just. I'm just going to try and connect it to my laptop. So there's this like thing under here to connect. So this blue light comes on the moment I connect it to my PC. So when I connected to my PC, I just clicked on my speaker icon and I could see that my mic was already recognized by my PC, so the mic was already there. So I right click on the icon and I selected sounds. So there you could just like use that to like adjust like the properties of the microphone and just ensure that it's the way you want it to be. If you double click on the microphone, you get to like select like the recording levels or the sound levels and stuff like that. Nothing too serious, I believe. I haven't like really figured this part out, but I don't think there really is anything much to it at this point. So I could click that place to like so I could be able to like listen to whatever I was hearing from the mic. I think if I enable it, I'll be able to hear the sound I'm getting in the headphones that I'm going to use. So that's pretty much it. Nothing too serious. So I exited that and I went on to connect my headphones to the mic. Oh my god, it's loud. But I think there's a lag. Because I don't think it plays back what I'm... Oh, is that what I'm saying? Oh. Okay. So if I adjust this... Oh. It's picking on the sounds though. Wow, this actually is somewhat loud. Okay, I can turn this down. Ooh, this feels good. I think it's pretty decent. Well, this is pretty much what the mic looks like. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I definitely have to like set it up properly. I might end up like taking this off and just off the stand. I don't know if I'm going to use a stand. Like, I mean, it's easy to just put a stand there and just use, but I might just I might prefer to just put it on. I have the like the adjustable stand that you connect to your desk, and the mic can stay on. So I'd probably use that if I have like a lot of voiceovers to do, but if I'm just gonna like set up and do a quick voiceover, I might just use it this way. Okay, so I know that you're thinking, okay, you have showed us how the mic looks like, you've arranged it for us, but can you at least, let us know how it sounds? Yeah, this is how it sounds. This is how the mic sounds. I'm pretty close to the mic at the moment. I'm just trying to like increase the volume. So I think I'm increasing the volume at the moment. You might just, I don't know if it's going to be louder, but it's kind of louder in my head, louder in my ears because I'm using headphones. But this is what it sounds like. I'm using it to record the voiceover at the moment, so this is what you're going to hear. You might be hearing like other sounds in the background because I'm kind of close to my fridge right now, and I'm in my dining area. This is not a treated environment, so I'm not in some studio or anything, but this is what it sounds, just you being in your room and a decently quiet place. This is what you would get. So close up, if I come close to the mic like 2 inches away, this is what you hear, and from farther like 8 inches away, this is what you hear. So that's pretty much it about this mic. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay fearless. Bye.